what is life right now?
This is the epitome of living in 2019. Okay, ready for another beauty trip in?
Oh yeah.
Excited?
Oh yeah, we got something new for you today.
Yeah.
It's my pickup truck.
Dude, this is tight.
First beauty trip in a pickup truck, baby.
I know. All right, so the clue is, are you a VR gin? Like,
That's so gross.
I lost my VI card a couple times, actually. But this is beauty tripping. I mean,
Yeah,
I
right.
guess
No,
it
so
could...
yeah, VR is very strange. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe it's like those like glamour filters on Instagram.
Well, that's kind of like what
Yeah.
I was thinking too. I was like, maybe it has something to do with like photos.
Yeah.
Like maybe we're gonna do a photo shoot. And
Or
there's, like, a
I
VR
saw like
element.
a thing one time that was like these weird mirrors that would show different outfits on you.
Yes.
I don't know, maybe it's
yes.
something like that, or like a thing that like projects onto your face like paint by numbers, but for makeup.
Yeah.
You
No,
know?
that would be like the coolest day ever.
Wait, damn, that's a good idea.
Welcome to Manicures. Thank you so much.
We're happy
We're
to be
excited to be
here.
here. We have no idea why we're here, but we are excited.
So we are a nail salon,
Okay.
and we have waxing services as well.
So are we gonna, is that,
No, so
Which-
today you're here for VR Mani.
VR Mani.
Yeah,
So
so
a manicure.
exactly. So a manicure that incorporates virtual reality goggles,
Okay.
and we created this service to really transport our clients elsewhere. You know, it creates the utmost relaxing
Yeah.
environment, and really, like I said, it transports you. If you feel like you're on a mini vacation while you're doing something that, you know, is very regular day-to-day manicure.
That's so funny. You know, the first question that comes to my head is like, how weird is it for the technician?
I think it's better because you're not bothering them by talking. You're kind of just. And then we also matched each of the three services up with corresponding scented products, and the scents really enhance the experience. So we're trying to incorporate all 5 senses.
you do have a very nice space here, but it takes a lot of design. You gotta buy these plants, you gotta buy all these chairs, you gotta rent this space.
Yeah.
Or maybe in the future, instead of being transported to some paradise, you just be transported to the nail salon. Because we'll live in these tiny little boxes and be so isolated and alone on the internet all day, you'll crave the experience of just going to a salon.
Probably.
Somewhere in public.
Probably.
And that'll be, you know, the
You're giving-
Manicures VR experience.
You're literally
at home.
giving me gray hairs. Like I can't even think about it. It's that terrifying.
Or maybe it'll just be like a LASIK surgery that you get and you just have it all the time.
No,
You
don't do that.
You get rid of your phone, you get a little chip implanted in your bone.
My
right there
mom,
in your
my
jaw.
mom said that's the sign of the
It's
Antichrist.
gonna
We
resonate
can't do
through
that.
your ears. That's what's gonna
serious.
happen. And imagine this, if you get the wrong package, if you get the cheap subscription package, there's gonna be ads and you won't be able to turn them off on everything you see.
That is a little too Black Mirror-esque.
All good thoughts, all good thoughts. Seriously, all good thoughts. But let's pick out a nail polish color. All right, so do you have any idea what color you want to get?
I don't know. I feel like I like to go thematic. The holiday season's coming, maybe a greenish.
Oh
But
yeah.
also, we're doing something like VR, makes me feel like very
like go like
cyber,
yeah, like
like-
industrial looking.
Yeah.
See, I'm like literally maybe the most boring person on the face of the earth because like I go black, white, and gray all the time. So naturally I start looking, but I'm gonna
Right.
try to be, you know, adventurous today.
I don't know. Maybe I'll just do this. I've never done. I like the
That's
idea
nice.
of looking like. Did you have sticker collections when you were a kid? Was it like the sticker books?
Oh, I still have sticker collections. Do you know that?
You know, like oilies.
Oh
Right.
yes. They were like bubble stickers, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like it'd be nice if you could have nails like that.
Yeah, I think that would be weird.
The other option is just like straight up hot pink, like kind
Do
of like
it.
matching like
Yeah,
this
I love-
galaxy color.
Honestly, I love hot pink. Like, I love hot pink and teal.
I know it's good. I want it to be like Gem in the Holograms.
Yeah, I
pink,
don't like
this one, right?
that one. God, I love how you're being so adventurous, and so far I have less is Norse and alpaca in my bags.
That's a good pun. Less is Norse is a terrible pun. It almost like ruins it for me.
Yeah, because
it doesn't
even,
rhyme.
It doesn't even sound
They're
like
kind of
it.
like, there's like an or-ish sound, but you ruin it with the other things. Alpaca in my bags is good.
So are you guys ready for the actual VR part? Awesome.
We are ready.
Okay, so there are 3 different scenes that you can select, and each one has an accompanying lotion that enhances the smell, and either a scrub, a paraffin treatment, or a mud mask, depending on what it is.
Okay.
So the first one is Wailea Beach on the North Shore of Kauai, and For that one, we have a coffee scrub because they grow a lot of coffee in Hawaii, and a coconut scented lotion that's just lightly reminiscent of suntan lotion, like a beautiful smelling scent.
No, I love that. Yeah, I think even the gross one, it smells amazing.
I know.
I'd
Well,
like
it reminds you of like being on the beach as a kid.
Right.
Yeah.
The second one is in upstate New York at Allegheny State Park, and it's this rural forest with a stream running through it. It's super peaceful and meditative. And for that one, we did a mud mask and a pine scented lotion.
Oh,
Mud
man.
is just getting in the mud.
The third scene is a really beautiful waterfall in Iceland, and
North.
it's called Skogafoss.
Skogafoss?
Skogafoss.
Skogafoss. I don't know how they say it.
And for that, we did
I
a
don't
little
either.
play on fire and ice. It's hot paraffin that they'll put on your arms and hands. And
What does that do?
It really allows for a lot of moisture. There's, there's like shea butter in the mixed with the paraffin and different vitamins.
When I think of hot wax, I think of like,
sexy time. No.
well, more like La Vida Loca. You know what I mean?
yeah.
And then ending it with a mint aloe cooling lotion. So the
On the
hot and
same-
the cold on the same body part.
The forest one really appeals to me, mostly because of the pine, but it's also like the setting for like 99% of all of the true crime murder podcasts I've been listening to, and I'm just telling you guys, you never know who's lurking in the forest, you know?
That is true, but this is at daylight, so.
You can kill any time in the
Yeah,
forest.
you can kill any time in the forest.
So are you going to do Hawaii?
I don't know, what do you decide?
I'm deciding between the pine forest and the waterfall.
Goga Falls.
Golga Falls?
Golga Falls.
I don't know, I keep saying it all weird. All right, well, whatever. I'm thinking about the waterfall.
Okay, then if you're gonna do the waterfall, then I will do the forest.
I want to try the hot wax.
I think you need to, because when you told me you don't moisturize your hands, I was shocked. I need to show you and remind you,
Yeah.
just so you really truly get
Yeah.
how shocked I was.
That's like an emoji in real life, what you just did.
I know.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, thank
This
you.
is my kind of
Makes
treat.
everything
Thank you so
better,
much.
right?
Thank you.
Cheers.
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 Look me in the eyeballs.
And I do this too to people.
So what scenes did you decide?
I'd like to go to the waterfall. I want to experience this hot wax.
Okay, let's do it.
And I'd like to visit the forest.
All
Yeah,
right,
you
I'm
can
going to introduce you to your nail techs, Tiffany and Carol.
Hello.
So Carol, this
how's
is
it
Jarrett, and
Carol,
Tiffany,
nice to meet you.
Sinead.
Hello, thanks for doing this.
I'm excited.
Awesome. Okay, so let's get you situated. All right, enjoy your forest stream adventure.
I mean, I really am in the middle of the forest. Essentially, it looks like I'm standing in some water. And it's beautiful.
You ready?
I think so, yeah.
Awesome.
I mean, there is certainly a waterfall, and there's just these lovely, it's just sort of a cliff all around, and there's sort of some kind of particulate in the air, and you think it would make you feel like you have to sneeze, but it doesn't. It just makes you feel like the whole world's a little bit magical.
It's really nice. A lot of bugs, though, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of bugs.
What is life right now?
This is like the epitome of living in 2019.
Epitome. It's like this very, organic, like tactile, physical experience, and then you just got this
Totally.
robot on your head.
Have you ever seen Xenon Girl of the 21st Century?
This is Cetus Lapidus.
Like 100%, right?
It's Outer Galactical. I think that's a Jetsons movie reference, but yeah, Xenon.
I feel like there's a handful of this mud that I'm standing on all over my hands. And it feels nice.
Oh, there's a plastic bag being put on my hand. Oh, it's hot. It's a hot, warm wax. And I am getting trapped in a plastic bag. There are seagulls flying around. Maybe I'm supposed to feel like a seagull. The impending threat of a plastic bag is something you gotta worry about. Oh.
No.
I've never had this paraffin wax thing, and it's incredible. It feels like being in the middle of a grilled cheese sandwich while it's being panini pressed. It's amazing.
There's that bug again.
Well, the peppermint really seems to really enhance the whole mist sort of breeze feeling.
Really? I mean, just a lot of bugs in the forest, huh?
Yeah, what do you think of this?
This is kind of like insane in terms of next level revolutionary way to have a very normal service done,
Yeah.
Like manicures, the idea of going to the nail salon is very normal these days, but going and having a VR experience simultaneously is like totally abnormal.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, it's crazy to think that in a few years, this is gonna be normal again, you know?
I don't know if it'll be normal, like everyone, this is what a manicure is.
No, but like we will all know what it is, whether it's you've done it yourself or somebody's told you about it, and like
Yeah.
that to me is like kind of shocking me, and I've just been thinking about that the whole time.
Are the cameras even rolling right now? Is the crew here?
All right, well, you know what, Jarrett? What a time to be alive.
What a time.
What a day.
What a day.
Should we cheers to this very fancy, schmancy, yet very cool, technologically advanced day that we've had?
Yes, this is, I would love to toast you with this, okay.
What the heck? I feel like it should be.
Cheers. There you
Don't
are.
touch my nails, they're wet.
Oh, that's your nails. Where are you?
Gosh, this is so nerve-wracking.
Make it a real cheers. I'm speaking directly towards my hand, if that helps. I'm
Why is
speaking
this so
towards,
s-
there
Oh,
we are.
cheers.
Cheers.
Was that a cheers?
I will call it a cheers.
Okay, let's call it a cheers.
To the future,
To the future.
to the virtual future.
Oh my god, I can't drink it, dude. My goggles are in the way.
Luxury.
Somebody give me a straw.
That manicure was really, really good.
Oh, I love the manicure. The paraffin thing. Ooh,
Yeah,
love that.
life changing. No, but yeah, no.
Also the color.
What do you think of the
You
color?
like this color?
I like it. Do you like
it's
it?
redder than I thought it was gonna be, but I don't mind. I like it. I was saying the gem and the holograms pink. So
Yeah,
it's like
I think it looks
yeah,
great.
Thank you. I think I love the color you got. Yeah, that's just.
It's like the
all
color
good.
of pencil lead.
Yes.
And also, let us know what else we should try because we're always down to do anything VR related or really anything where they get to, you know, do nice things to us related.
Exactly. Again, massages, for instance.
Yes, just write it in the comments like a bunch of times because honestly, you
I want to
guys.
see you guys get more massages.
Yeah.
Maybe some kind of VR, cyberpunk massage, fine, whatever.
Yeah, until next time, you guys, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel because we are here doing weird things like getting VR manicures all the time. And then we shall see you all next time.
Indeed.
Bye!
Well, that was fun. For even more clever style, you guys can click right over here and then be sure to subscribe by clicking right over here.